grain falls without a sound. Another season buried underground. The world keeps turning, so do I. The sunrise cuts through frozen air. Yesterday dissolves like smoke somewhere. The river never asks who wins. It only carries where life begins. Footprints fade beneath the rain. Nothing lasts if it's standing still. I learned to shake tomorrow's steel with hands that never learn to yield. Time moves like wolves across the snow. Silent paths that few will know. The horizon shifts with every dawn. One blink here, another gone. No chain can hold what still grows strong. My spirit keeps marching on. The mountain washed 1,000 names disappear inside the wind. I carved my mark without a crown, built from sweat instead of gold. The stars don't bargain, they just burn. The seasons never wait their turn. So I'll meet each morning face to face, leaving nothing up to fate. The clock owns no warrior, the storm crowns no king. Only the heart that refuses to stop leaves an echo when it's gone. Time moves, the shadows stretch. The fire inside refuses death. When the last light meets the sky, I'll know I never passed life by. The hourglass empties.